everybody, I'm Mike. Today I just bought a new telescope, but I don't have a place to use it yet. I want to go to the park, but there isn't one recently. Listen, can you make me a park with many animals and a place for me to use a telescope?
Okay, but it takes quite a while. Can you wait?
Okay, I'll wait. I'll come when it's done. Oh, this zoo is amazing. There are many animals that I have never seen before. There are tigers, leopards, bears, and even pandas. There are many other animals that I have never met before.
I built you a place where you can look at the stars with that telescope you just bought. Hurry up and try it out there.
Really? I'll go there and try it right now. This place is amazing. Listen. In this position, I can clearly see the stars through this telescope. Not only that, you can also see all the animals in this zoo. Thank you very much, Listen. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting videos. See you again.